Your John Deere display isn't responding anymore? Then I'll show you step by step how to replace the touchscreen of your GreenStar 2600 yourself. First things first, ground yourself, for example by touching a radiator. Let's start with step 1. Remove the 6 housing screws. Now you can carefully lift the housing. While doing so, detach the LED from the front panel. Don't pull, disconnect it cleanly instead. Next, remove the screws from the touchscreen. Work evenly and without applying pressure. Now disconnect the cable. Simply press the small tab and gently pull the cable out. Now comes a crucial step. The touchscreen must be separated from the display. Take a cutter and work slowly along the edge. Important: do not damage the display or the adhesive tape. Once the touchscreen is loosened, you can remove the defective touchscreen. Now prepare the new touchscreen. Remove the protective film from the back and place it into position. Make sure the touchscreen sits perfectly. No tension, no misalignment. Then press it down carefully. Next, reconnect the cable. Ensure it clicks in securely. Now fasten the screws on the display again. Tighten them evenly. Do not over-tighten. After that, remove the protective film from the front. Now reattach the LED to the front panel. Place the housing back on and screw everything together again. Finally, we'll take care of the protective film. Lightly spray the surface with distilled water. This helps remove dust and prevents bubbles. Now apply the adhesion film. Use a squeegee to press it down evenly and work out the water. If needed, you can lift the film using a pair of tweezers at the tab. And that's it. The touchscreen is working again. So, the display responds perfectly. And the best part, you've saved yourself the cost of an expensive replacement.